Hi boys and girls, I hope you're all doing well. I thought it'd be really nice today if we had a go at making some different musical instruments with things that you can find around your house. So I had a look in my kitchen and I found a colander. This is what you put pasta and rice in when you want to get the water out of it. It's got lots of holes in it. Anyway, I thought this might make a nice sound because it's metal. Metal quite often makes nice sounds. So I found a spoon and I thought I could have a go at banging it and listening to the different sounds it makes. And then I thought I would try with the plastic spoon to see if that makes a different sound. Sounds quite similar actually. Oh well. Okay, so that's a nice thing you can make an instrument out of. You might be able to find a pan, or you might be able to find a wooden spoon or something like that to see if it can make a different sound. And then you can make music with it. You can follow a beat, or you can change the beat. So that's one instrument that I made. And then I thought, I've got lots of jars in my kitchen, so I found a really big jar and I put a little bit of pasta in the bottom. I will show you. I put some pasta in the bottom and I put the lid on, and makes a nice shaking sound. Makes a different sound if you turn it upside down. It makes two different kinds of sounds, and I thought, I wonder what it would sound like if I use a really small jar and I put something small inside it. So I found this tiny little jar. I think it used to have jam in it, and inside this one I put some barley seeds in it. Barley is tiny, so it's going to be difficult for me to show you. You might be able to see it there. Okay, so I put a little bit of barley into the bottom, just a bit, and I put the lid on. Makes a very different sound to this one. Can you hear the difference? So maybe you could have a go at doing that. These are glass jars, so if you are going to be using glass jars, make sure that you have a grown-up with you. Okay, but it would be even better if you could find some jars or some containers that are not glass. I couldn't find any in my kitchen, but if you can find some jars or containers that are not made out of glass, that would be even better. And I thought that some musical instruments, you don't shake them or bang them, you might scrape them. So I found a cheese grater. Now you have to be very careful with your fingers because it can be a little bit sharp here. And I thought I could use a metal spoon and scrape it. It makes a very different sound. You could bang this too, you could bang it inside, bang it at the edge. I like the scraping sound. It's got different sides, so it sounds a little bit different on the different sides. And you could try using a plastic spoon. Or anything else that you can find. I would love to see the different musical instruments that you can make with things in your kitchen or around your home. Don't forget, you must get one of your grown-ups to help you. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.